Right, so we're here, yeah. Me and Macaulay, yeah. We're in this abandoned like golf place, and it's actually like so trippy. We don't know what like. There's like a fire thing there. There's actually dogs.
No, that's the owner to the dog place up there at the top. It's the owner to the dog place.
Yeah, but what about that dog what we saw before? Right, guys, you need to see this. It's abandoned. Look, there's abandoned chairs and everything. Yeah.
Why is there a car there?
Yeah, why is there a car?
This is not.
That looks like it isn't dirty because it hasn't been, like, it's clean. No. Oh. No, I won't go back. Let's go back, let's go back.
No.
Come on.
Why did you see that guy?
It's actually trippy though.
No, stay.
Wait. It's like a tube.
No, because I heard.
Is that a dead rat? You got scared over your phone. That's not a dead rat. It's like a big pile of poo. No, that's like turf.
Why did I hear this?
Yeah, I think it's them. Like over there. Guys, what is going on? Right, we're back. I can smell poo though. Have you pooed yourself? Right, I'm not being scared about this. I'm just going in. Right, let's go, guys. Oh, MTV Cribs. Wait, it's echoey. Football. Oh, that's actually a Premier League one though. So someone, if that's not popped. Oh yes. Just playing football in abandoned buildings. What are we doing? I want to see this car. It says Stoke-on-Trent on it, so it must be the council's. There's litter. Something around the back. You can get around the back. What's it? Sign. Foot the hole. Wetland area, so there's like a lake near. Why did I just hear a car start? So, basically we're at this abandoned building, yeah. Right. Oh, what's that though? Oh, it's dead trippy. It's like a road. We found a sign and everything.
We're gonna come back here later in the day when it's dark.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a part 2.
Just look at it though. I'm actually scared. We could hear there's actually cars and everything. Wait, no, that's coming round now. There's cars. There's someone in there. What's this way? We should go that way. Yeah, we're going this way. Guys, I don't know what's happening. Oh, I nearly crossed. This is actually scary. Oh, we can get on top of it. Bring the ball. We've still got the ball. Wow. But we have climbed this though. It's actually so trippy. I don't know if you can actually get on top of it though, because like, no, we should go around the other side just to see if there's like another way in. Oh, there's a tree there. I didn't see that. Look at that. It's like a secret passage. Oh, this is creepy because it's in the woods as well. It's like Jason in there. Friday the 13th. It's not the 13th. It's not Friday as well. But it's still scary. Look this way. We've just been down there. See, that's what's on the back. Go on. If you pump it up, that'll be actually a decent ball though. Yeah, just kick it then. Oh, I'd be sick if it just got stuck on the top. You heard what? I'm carrying going on. By the way, we're at this place called Park Hall in our local area, and it's very scary because last year there was loads of clowns here because it was on Facebook and everything. It's actually dead scary.
This used to be like a really nice place. That, where we've just been is an abandoned golf course.
Wait, which way do we go? Yeah, let's go this way. It's creepier. Do it for that vlog, innit? It's actually scary.
It doesn't seem as scary right now, but it's gonna be
like when if you were here right now, then well, yeah, scary. But like we would have gone in it if we could, but it's like no entrance because it's just all sealed off. Oh, berries! Oh, this is where we saw that dog.
Is it?
Where's that gone?
It's not.
It is because remember it went down the floor.
It isn't. Not at that point.
We are because it was only just like a little curve.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this.
Where's that dog gone then?
I don't know. Because it wasn't with them. Yeah, because before we started recording, there was like a little, like not a little, it was like proper big.
It's black. I was ready to scream at it.
Yours and all. Oh, like we're just about to get out of the little golf place. We will go Park Hall because at school, because it's right next to us. There's like this little black thing on the hill. It's been there every day, and yeah, just remember this tree. Yeah, that's the golf place over there. Let's go this way because like it's less windy. But look how creepy this place is. There's trees surrounding you and everything. It's good when you're by the hill though, because like it's actually a good view. We need to find out where we came up from though. Guys, I'll show you where we go. We're just about to head in the woods. I've only got 4 minutes left to record, so like I won't be able to record much, so yeah. So we're just heading through Willets Wood. That's what it's called. There's footsteps, so people have been here. It's a good sign, because like we don't want any clowns to come get us. But just look at that. It's creepy as, because it's just from where we're standing, there, and just there. So we're like stuck in the middle. It's actually so creepy. Like we literally do not know where we are going. So that's also more creepy. Wait, what's that white thing in the distance? I think that's just the sky. There's like trees covering the sky, so we don't know. See, there's that hill. There's Sandy Hill. Oh yeah, because like this is the path. Yeah, guys, look, a massive hill right there. We went up there, like we always used to go up there after school. Well, we probably still do because we've only done it 3 times. So yeah, it's actually creepy up there as well. Not as creepy, but it's still creepy. Sorry I ended that clip, yeah. It's just, we heard a proper creepy noise from that direction over there.
That's our school as well, by the way.
School. No. And, yeah, we did hear a creepy noise just. It was like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.
Was that a dog?
Yeah. It was like, yeah, like when a dog gets hurt. But guys, please leave a like because we're doing this. I know it means like probably not creepy for you, but it's actually creepy for us. Like we know where we're going now, but before we had no idea. So yeah, just subscribe and like. So guys, we've just made it out. We came out because it's very creepy, and 2, we're going to play some football. So yeah. Also guys, it's the end of the video, so yeah, please like, subscribe and comment down below your thoughts on the video. Yeah, see ya.